Ever wondered why sugar forms crystals at the bottom of a cup of hot water as it cools down? The answer lies in a concept known as precipitation expansion. Precipitation expansion is a fascinating process that occurs in nature and in our everyday lives. It's not a complex scientific theory, it's a simple, easy-to-understand concept. Scene script. Imagine this. You have a cup of piping hot water and you dissolve some sugar into it. As the water cools down, the sugar begins to separate from the water, forming little crystals at the bottom of the cup. But here's the intriguing part. These sugar crystals take up more space than when they were dissolved in the water. This phenomenon, where a substance expands when it goes from a dissolved state to a solid state, is what we call precipitation expansion. But why does this happen? It's all about the arrangement of particles. When a substance is dissolved in water, its particles are spread out. But when it forms a solid, the particles come together in a structured way, which often takes up more space. So, to summarize, precipitation expansion refers to the process where a substance expands when it goes from a dissolved state to a solid state. It's a result of the rearrangement of particles during the transition from a dissolved to a solid state. And it's not just sugar in water. This process happens in many different scenarios, from the formation of rock crystals in the earth to the creation of ice crystals in the atmosphere. So, the next time you see sugar crystals forming at the bottom of your cup, remember, it's not just a simple cup of sweetened water. It's a mini science experiment demonstrating the fascinating concept of precipitation expansion. Understanding these small but significant processes in our everyday life helps us appreciate the intricate workings of the natural world. And who knows, it might just spark a curiosity that could lead to a deeper exploration of the wonders of science. Precipitation expansion. It's not just a scientific term, it's a testament to the marvel of nature's processes happening right in front of our eyes.